As an accounts receivable clerk, I need to generate customer invoices and send them quickly and easily. Whether I'm emailing or printing one invoice or a batch of invoices, the process needs to be simple. In this scenario, learn how Acumatica allows you to generate, review, and send an invoice, and gives you the ability to process multiple or schedule them in just a few easy steps. After signing into Acumatica, I can view customer invoices created today from the list view. For each invoice, I need to generate and email a copy of the invoice to the customer. Acumatica makes this really easy. From the document, use the Actions button and choose Email Invoice Memo. Acumatica lets me know the activity is complete with the green check mark. Acumatica creates the activity and tracks it to this transaction. Here, you can review the email that will be sent to the customer. More importantly, notice that Acumatica converts the invoice to a PDF file and attaches a copy of the invoice. The next action would be to send it. So, how does Acumatica know which customers want their invoices emailed? The preference of each customer is captured in the print and email settings on their account. Simply select the appropriate option and that information flows to each transaction. Acumatica also has the flexibility to email several invoices at once. This would be under the Processes category. From the Print Invoices and Memos form, invoices eligible for the selected action are displayed. This table lists documents matching the criteria that have not been emailed before. Select the documents you want to process or schedule the process using the clock symbol. Anywhere you see the scheduling symbol, you can schedule when that process should run, like every evening at 7 p.m. Acumatica's reporting options make the accounts receivable clerk job easier, allowing me to create and email invoices individually, process several at one time, or schedule them. What a time saver! Doesn't your organization deserve this kind of reporting features? For more information, check out the Acumatica Financial Management Suite preview at rocktonconnect.com.